Here I have my boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I chose the thighs because it has more meat. Okay, well, now we're checking it. It's been cooking for about 40 minutes. See how it looks? It's cooking wonderfully. See all the vegetables in there? Hi guys, I'm back with rice. I mean with the chicken.
And I'm here too.
That's my granddaughter. She gotta say something. So what I did, I went ahead and poured the rice in. I just eyeballed it because when I measure, it never comes out right. So I just wanted to come back and show y'all how it's looking.
I got my smell.
So feel free to leave comment below what you want to see me cook next. Give me some ideas. But we'll be back when the rice is done. Hi everybody, I'm back. Here's how it turned out. Perfect. Now if you want it drier, you can cook it a little longer, but I like it wet.
That was quick.
I'm going to do the rest later.
I want some.
You don't want chicken?
Yeah, get her a spoon. Oh, there. Oh, okay, let me plate it. It's a bowl thing. Can you give me some more bowls? Is there any in the...
Can you give me a spoon?
No.
Cut.
It is hot, Kendall. You don't rush into it.
Kids ate it all like with the quickness. I got like one piece. Is that your phone, babe?
Here.
Daddy, it said can you give me water?
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more scrumptious videos. And if you liked my video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me.